Hello everyone, this is Angel. Today I will introduce our factory, Shanding Group. It's a multinational company with 7 holding subsidiaries and 9 shareholding companies, 1 R&D center in Japan. We are ISO CEAC certified. We are manufacturer of factory. We have 25 years of experience in producing those standardized excavators. Today, I will introduce the SD17E adopts the latest 6S assembly line assembly technology and is the main model of our new generation 1,515 kg excavator. It is suitable for orchard farms, indoor demolition, pipeline excavation. The weight of the excavator is 1,550 kg. The length is 3,300 mm. The vehicle width is 1,150 mm. The height is 202. The trunk width is 230 mm. The trunk length is 1,454 mm. The bucket capit is 0.03 mic, and the narrow body can easily enter and various narrow environment. And the narrow body can easily enter and access various narrow environments. Super working ability, easy club 13 degrees slopes, come with the hydraulic safety lock, and the excavator will not slip when parking on the steep slope. The entire excavator cover is made of one-piece stamping and forging, with pinkling, phosphating, and backing paint process to ensure anti-corrosion and anti-rust properties. The paint surface has high color and brightness, making the entire excavator beautiful and elegant. 16-liter hydraulic tank, external hydraulic fluid lever display. Fully open rear cover design. The engine adopts Kubota 10.2 kW high-efficiency engine, optimized ventilation design, side-mounted cooling fan, better heat dissipation, performance, ensure continuous operation time. It uses laser adjustable seats, equipped with seat belts and adjustable armrests. The set hand position key is turned on with one button to start, and when the key is turned off, the entire excavator is powered off to prevent power fade. Upgraded to a new dust-proof and waterproof operating platform with a Huai'an hydraulic main wheel installed underneath. The operating lever is simple and easy to operate, and the foot pedal for breaker operation is reserved. The boom and arms are made of Q345 thickened magnet steel and are welded together by a robot. Breaker pipelines are reserved and stop wheels are installed to facilitate the replacement of front-end attachments. One-piece forged cylinder with built-in Japanese NOK sealing ring. The chassis is welded with thickened magnet steel with in thickness of 120 mm and a high-strength chassis to ensure the operation of the entire machine. Overall form is reasonably designed, simple and compact, and the brain components are locked on both sides to prevent the pin from rotating, reduce wear, and ensure overall strength. The whole excavator can be equipped with the boom sway function. Optional chassis telescopic. The minimum chassis is 800 mm and the maximum can be extended to 1,100 mm. The whole vehicle assembly line is managed in accordance with the 6S production set, from the implementation of the design drawing to the assembly of the excavator, integrated assembly line operation. The maximum excavation height of 17E can reach 3,155 mm. The maximum unloading height is 2,430 mm. The maximum excavation depth is 1,990 mm. And the maximum excavation radius is 3,500 mm. The minimum turning radius of the excavator is 1,520 mm, allowing for greater work coverage in the narrow working environment. SD17E can be equipped with breaker and other attachments. Shanding Group not only provide our customers with mechanical products, but we also upgrade our products according to customers' requirements. Serving customers is our belief. Over the past 25 years, Shandong Group is committed to providing good solutions to our customers to be a more reliable partner.